What you see here is the GCM 10J Professional Compact Mitre saw. It has the most powerful motor in its class. Thanks to its compact design, low weight and integrated auxiliary handle, the GCM 10J Professional is particularly easy to transport. And the saw stand GTA 3800 Professional guarantees comfortable working even with long workpieces. The powerful 2000-watt motor enables fast work progress. Thanks to its robust construction and dust-resistant motor technology, the GCM 10J Professional has an extremely long life. You can replace the blade in no time with a multi-material blade, which enables you to also cut plastic or aluminium. The clearly visible, detailed mitre and bevel scales ensure accurate results. To work cleanly with minimum dust, you can connect the saw to the GAS 50M Professional Wood Extractor. Powerful and compact, the GCM 10J Professional.